In this video, I will show you how you can use the basic gestures on your iPad Air. Now to start, let's say if you have opened an app on your iPad. Now to close the app, just swipe up from the bottom of the screen and you will close the selected app. Now by doing that, the app will be closed, but it will still run in the background. Now to stop the app from running in the background, just swipe up and hold from the bottom of the screen. And after you do that, you will go to the recent app section. And over here, you can swipe up on the app and close it. And by doing that, the app will completely stop from running in the background. If you have opened a page or a setting within an app, and if you want to go back, then just swipe from the left side of the screen. And by doing that, you will go back from any page which you have opened. Just like that. Now some pages might not be designed, so you could go back by just swiping. So in that case, you should find an arrow icon at the upper left corner on the screen. And by tapping on the arrow icon, you will go back. If you want to find all your notifications, just swipe down from the top left of the screen and you will open the notifications panel. And as you can see, these are all the notifications which I have. To remove the notifications from the notification center, just swipe on the notification to the left side. And you will clear the notifications panel. To open the control center, just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen. And over here, you will find all the controls of your control center. You can increase or decrease the brightness of the screen. You can increase or decrease the volume of your iPad. You can enable or disable Wi-Fi or mobile data from here, just like that. And also you have many other controls. If you want to add a custom control, just tap on the plus icon over here, then select Add a Control. And from this list, you can add a custom control to the control center. For example, I will add this icon. And after you do that, you will add your custom control to the control center. Now you can increase or decrease the size of the icon by just dragging the icon from the handle over here. And once you're satisfied with your icon shape, just tap on anywhere on the screen to save the changes. Now if you want to look for an app on the home screen, you can either swipe to the right or to the left side and you can find it, or you can just swipe down on the home screen and you will open the Find section. And from here you can look for any app, or even you can look for a document within an app. Just like that. And this is how you can use the basic gestures on your iPad Air. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.